hanging here, Truck Necessities back at Gulf South Customs. We're going to be installing a set of the AMP Research Power Steps on this 2018 Chevy Silverado crew cab. These steps come in, they can fit a crew cab all the way down to a single cab. Depending on which one you want, you have to shorten the boards down. They come with all the arms. This is going to be our idler arm that we're going to mount on each side of the truck. And then of course they come with the motor arms. The motors are actually going to come separated from the arms themselves. We install the motors on there. It's going to come with your wiring harness, lights, and OBD2 port. This is actually one of the plug and play. We used to have to always tap into the trigger wire for your dome light to be able, or the door trigger, to be able to activate these. On the AMP Research, they've actually got it now to where it integrates and we can plug it into the OBD2 port to get that trigger, and so it'll open up on all four. A little bit less time on the install. We still have a decent bit of wiring in installing the boards actually on the truck, but it's a great application. What a lot of people don't realize about these, and we'll talk about after we do the install, we'll kind of show you a little bit more in depth. But these things were designed so that when you step out of the truck, that your foot actually falls naturally right onto the board. Whereas your normal Nerf bars, step bars, running boards, things like that, they're mounted up kind of tight and tucked under the rocker panel of the truck. So it's not really designed for getting out of the truck. They're designed for getting in the truck, and they're a little bit higher. These actually kind of split the difference, allow you to step into the truck at not a harsh bend in your knee, and when you get out of the truck, when your leg just slides right off the seat, that's where it falls right onto these AMP boards. So it's a great application. We're going to get this installed on this Chevrolet Silverado here, and we'll see you back here in a minute and go a little bit more over it. Truck. Hey, thanks for joining us back. I'm Damien at Gulf South Customs. We finished up our install on our 2018 Chevrolet Silverado, our AMP Research retractable steps. Wanted to give you a little tour of how they work. So when you open the door, they deploy. Doesn't matter which door that you open, they're going to deploy on the specific side, whichever door opens. You'll see it retract up and it deploys. Now the other great thing about these steps that nobody actually realizes is that it's not just that it's an electric step, it gets in and out of the way, but it actually goes to the specific spot where you are most comfortable getting in and out of the truck. So when you go to get in the truck, you have a full foot pad to step on. You can actually put both feet on it and then sit down into the truck. You know, and a lot of people are like, well, you know, I can do that with a regular Nerf bar. A regular Nerf bar is a lot higher. It actually sits right here at the rocker panel. And the big thing about those, whether it's a Nerf bar, steps, you know, it doesn't matter which brand, what kind, they all sit right here at the rocker panel. As you can see, the AMP steps sit a lot lower. And what happens, and this is a big thing that not a lot of people talk about with these, is when you go to get out, they're right there. That's right where you put your foot, you know. And yeah, a Nerf bar is right here, but nobody ever uses a Nerf bar to stand right here because they hit their head. If they try to stand up on that Nerf bar, they got to slide out. So it's not really comfortable. And you know, if you have step bars on your truck, you never use them to get out of the truck. You only use them to get in. So what happens when you go to step out, you're relieving pressure on the seat because you're standing up and getting out of the truck. Well, on your Nerf bars, or if you don't have any bars at all, and you get out the truck, when you do, you're sliding off this seat right here and it busts this seam. You see all these trucks with the seam on their seat busted, whether it's cloth, leather, it doesn't matter. You bust that seam, well now you're talking about, you know, upholstery repair, which can get pretty expensive. So it's another added benefit of these steps for the fact that you're relieving the pressure on the side of the seat. When you get in and out of the truck, you actually have a step that you can use getting out of the truck, as opposed to your Nerf bars that are tucked really high. You can't really use them getting out of the truck, and you don't use them. So it's a great set of steps for any truck. Of course, it's not available for all trucks, but all your newer trucks, even a lot of your older trucks, they are available for. We sell them on our website. We sell them in store. We install them. Call us, get some more information. Check out our website if you want some more information, or schedule an appointment. You can buy them off the website, like I said, or just keep checking out our videos. Gulf South Customs, Truck Necessities.